This is the all-new Ford F-150 Raptor. Raptor is the ultimate high-performance off-road pickup. This is what you get when Ford's passion for performance vehicles is combined with our obsession with making the world's best trucks. The all-new Raptor pushes the limits of what a full-size pickup can be. It's our toughest, smartest, and most capable Raptor ever. All-new Raptor starts with a purpose-built, high-strength steel frame specially engineered for high-performance off-roading. As for smartest, Raptor has an all-new, next-generation, high-output 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine that is more powerful than Raptor's current V8. Now, we've paired this new EcoBoost engine with an all-new 10-speed transmission that improves driving and fuel efficiency. An all-new smart terrain management system optimizes Raptor's driving dynamics for different environments, from street performance to desert running and rock crawling to snow and ice. Now, in terms of most capable, the standard Fox racing shocks are larger and provide more wheel travel than ever before. Plus, the 500 pounds we saved versus today's Raptor through innovations like the new high-strength aluminum alloy body helps the all-new off-roader glide over tough terrain. Now, as you can see, the all-new F-150 Raptor is built to live off-road.